Well, here we are for another fun paint pouring session today. I am going to do a flip and drag. I'm using 5 cups, three large ones, and two 10-ounces in the center there, and flip them and drag them down. I'm using all Arteza Pearl colors today, and I'll lay down a white pillow background here in a second and fill the cups, and we'll be off to the races. So I'll be back when we're ready to flip and drag. Hold on. Okay, here we go. This is not exactly what I had thought about doing, but I'm going to end up doing it because I mixed the paint, and this is what it is. So I'm going to start by flipping this one right here. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready? So there's one. Good counting, Richard. And I'll do this one about here, except I'm going to do it this way. So right about here. And then I have this big one, which will be about here. Whoa, that got away. And then this little guy will be about here. Good. Well, that was successful. Yeah, I'm not taking up the drums. Alrighty. Well, shoot-o-rama. Let's go this way. So I want to pick this up a little bit. Oh yeah, look at that. And let's do this one this way. Let's do this. All right. Whoops. There's that professional word again. Whoops. And let's do this one this way. And this little guy this way. All right, Batman. There you have it. And I'm going to do some tipping. Maybe I should blow it first. Hold on a second. Let's get the butane here. I don't see a lot of exciting interaction. Ooh, there's some bubbles. You know, it's funny, I mixed these up yesterday and I let them sit so there wouldn't be many bubbles in them, but apparently they were so excited to work today that they bubbled up. Okay. Alrighty. Well, let's see what we have when we do a little tipping. You ready? What do I want to do? Maybe a little back and forth first. I think I need something going this way. I don't know. I'll let that sit for a second and look at it. It needs, well, I'm not sure what it needs. Anyway, I'll look at it and live with it for a few minutes, and we'll be back. Stand by. All right, I see we're getting some interaction, like in here, little bubbly little cells forming, but I want to do something up in here without tipping it. I don't want to tip it. So, and these little white corners, I really don't want to mess with what I've got going here. So yeah, I'm going to bring out the mini blower and we'll blow the corners and see if we can cover the white up. All right, if I do this, I'm not going to undo it. So let's see what happens. You know what, before I do that though, I'll put a little white up here and turn it into a quasi Dutch pour. If there's such a thing as a quasi Dutch pour. I just want to make sure I don't drag my cord. Okay, well for now, we'll just let it continue to molt, interact, form some more cells, and do its thing. So I will be back with the wrap up and an up close here in a bit. So stand by. I think the phrase I'm looking for is, when in doubt, blow it out. Anyway, I looked at it, it was boring. And my wife suggested taking the blower to it. So I broke out the mini blower and blew the living bejesus out of it. And here you go. This looks like a wild garden. So the colors are okay and it's very busy. And I actually like it now. So we'll see what happens as it dries up a little bit. And yeah, this may be a keeper. Now I can look for little fantastical little creatures in this. When you blow it like that, you end up with a lot of little, sort of like looking at a cloud and finding something in the cloud like a puppy or something. Anyway, this will be a good one. So this is Richard B. saying thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.